Filling taxes can feel really overwhelming, but honestly, the part that makes the most people panic isn't the math, it's the mess. If your tax season files live in emails, camera rolls, random folders, and paper piles, this is why you are exhausted. And the risky part? When your documents are scattered, it's easy to miss a tax deduction, misreport income, or forget a form, meaning you could be leaving money on the table, delaying your tax refund, or increasing audit stress. So, in this video, I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly structured productivity walkthrough for building a clean tax season file system so you can go from receipts to an IRS-ready PDF package without chaos. So what we'll cover? I'm going to split this into 5 parts. A quick overview of how a tax file system should work, whether you should hire an accountant or organize it yourself, the most common tax documents and forms you'll want to track, a step-by-step walkthrough, receipt to organized archives, to filed forms to ready to send PDFs using Wondershare PDF element, and the 3 most common mistakes people make and how to avoid them. My suggestion? Follow along in order because skipping steps usually creates more confusion later. Part 1. How a tax file system should work. Now think of your tax season workflow like a subscription you run every year. The subscription isn't just paying taxes, it's maintaining proof. And a clean system does 3 things. Captures every receipt and document reliably, organizes everything so you can find it instantly, package it into a clean PDF so you can send, save, and reference, right? And that's the key message here. A clean, traceable file system that saves time, reduces audit risk, and protects your sanity during tax season. Part 2. Should you hire an accountant or do it yourself? The common question is, should I hire an accountant or do it myself? For a lot of people, especially freelancers and small business owners, you can do a big part of this yourself if you have a simple system, right? Now, even if you hire an accountant, you still need to deliver clean documents, and that's where most stress comes from. So instead of debating accountant versus do-it-yourself, I like to frame it like this. You manage the document system, your accountant or tax software handles the filling. If your file system is clean, everything else becomes faster and less stressful. So far, so good. Part 3. Common tax documents to track. Here's the problem: most people don't struggle because they don't know how to file taxes. They struggle because they can't find what they need, right? My suggestion: start with a simple folder structure. Income, expenses, receipts, bank and code statements, investments, home and mortgage, education, prior year return. Now, if you are a US-based freelancer or independent contractor, there are a few specific tax forms you'll almost always deal with, and these depend directly on the documents in those folders. But most freelancers will need the following: Form 1099 NEC, that's income reported by clients, Schedule C, business income and expenses, Schedule CE, that's self-employment tax, Form 1040, right, your main individual's tax return. Now, these forms don't exist on their own. They are built from your receipts, from your invoices and statements, right? If your documents are messy, filling these forms becomes guesswork. If your documents are organized, filling them becomes a simple mechanical step. That's the system we're building. So right now, part 4, productivity walkthrough in PDF element. Now let's do the structure walkthrough. This is the from receipts to ready to send PDFs system. So step number 1, scan receipts on mobile. Easy, instantly start with the mess, complete receipts, all your invoices, maybe screenshots, email attachment. With PDF element, you can scan on mobile, and mobile OCR extracts the key fields like date, amount, and vendor, so your receipt isn't just an image, it's searchable information. Step 2. Scan, Cloud Archive, then Desktop Sync. So once scanned, everything syncs to your Cloud Archive and shows up on your desktop. Now this is where real organization happens on a larger screen with proper tools. Step 3. Batch PDF processing to clean up fast. So on desktop, PDF elements let you merge multiple PDFs into one clean packet, convert files as needed, apply watermarks for internal labeling. Now this is huge when you are organizing months of tax documents at once, right? Yes indeed. Step number 4. Fill the IRS tax forms directly in PDF element. Now we move from documents to forms. Cool, huh? Okay, so most IRS forms like Schedule C or Schedule CE are PDFs, right? Instead of printing, handwriting, scanning, and re-uploading, I open the form directly in PDF element and switch to edit mode. Every field is clickable. I can enter totals pulled directly from my organized folders, income from 1090s, expenses from categorized receipts, all side by side. Now, if a form isn't auto-fillable, PDF element let me add tax fields manually, so I'm never blocked by a static PDF. Perfect. Now, once completed, I save the form as a clean professional PDF, right? Ready to upload to tax software or to send to my accountant. Step number 5. Protect sensitive data before sharing. Now, before sending anything out, PDF element Smart Redact removes sensitive information. That's personal IDs, addresses, or anything that shouldn't be shared, right? Awesome. So now we have step 6. Use the AI assistant to cross-check and summarize. I use the AI assistant to summarize documents, to cross-check totals, and spot missing fields, essentially chatting with my PDFs to catch errors before filling. Step 7. Share your final tax packet. Now, once everything is merged, filled, redacted, and reviewed, I export the final IRS-ready PDFs, set and share it. Very good so far. In part number 5, let me share with you 3 common mistakes to avoid. So, mistake number 1, forgetting side hustle income. Mistake number 2, showing unprotected personal data. And mistake number 3, waiting until the last minute because files are messy, right? A structured system prevents all 3. So here's the full system recap. We have receipt, mobile OCR, cloud archive, desktop sync, batch merge, then convert, fill IRS tax forms, then redact, AI cross-check, IRS-ready PDFs. You're welcome. And if you want to ditch late nights and file smarter, try Wondershare PDF element. Click the link in the description to download PDF elements for free and start building your tax season file system today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'm going to help you solve any issue related to PDF element. If you have any suggestions as well, drop it in the comments. And see you guys in my next AI tool recommendation. Peace out.